Hello everyone, welcome back. So now this is time to create all the necessary state for the email, password, days, then here full name, username. So here let's just create all that, and then we will bind with input fields, and then also here use routers. Here you have to initialize. This is use router. So const is router is equal to use router. Now this use router, it is navigate between the pages. You see on click, whenever you click on this arrow icons, this is arrow icon here, this one, then we will router.push here, this router, then dot push, and then go to the home page. Okay, you see here, go to the home page, and this is a resource styles for the back button. This is here, this is styles back button. Got it? And then here whenever you click and you see here, you have to go to the home page, go to the back, click here, go to the home page. Okay, so now you will understand here how it works. Then let's create more state variables. Then this is here, let's create the email. Okay, create a state variable named email, and initial value is an empty string. Set email is used to update the email values. Const then email, then set email is equal to use state, and then const is password, then set password is equal to use state, and then it is just empty strings. Okay, email set email, then password, and then full name, set full name. And this is the const, and then full name, set full name, it is equal to that is use state here, and then username, create a state variable named username, store the user here, username, set user updates and the values. Const user's name, then set username, it is equal to it is the use state, and then it is just empty string. Then here store selected birth month. Const here, right, that is a now here it is a month. Okay, then set month, it is equal to the state, and then it is just empty strings. Okay, then const here. Okay, and then set here, it is equal to it is a use state. Okay, just empty string and then loadings. Okay, we've already read. Then get the current year from the current end date. So this is const current year is equal to new. This is new date dot get full year. Okay, then create an empty array to store the years. Const years is equal to just empty object, because we will use in the select component, so that user able to select all the years. So this is for, here is the for loop. For let white is equal to current year, and then y greater than 1 t9, then okay, here inside this is the years dot post functions and put the y. Got it? This is for let y current year, and I think we have all that necessary state variable. Now you have to bind with this input field, password, and then year, date of birth, month. So let's do this here. First here. So now I am going to bind all the values, and then we will create our handle submit functions. So first arrow icon, then this is your email field here. So here let me write, it is type email, that is fine, and then values, it is equal to email, then on change it is equal to here set here e dot, right here e dot target dot values. This is here. Okay, so this is here value email, then on change set email data redirects values, and then after that this is for the email, then for the password here this is about password value password, and then set password is equal to here arrow functions. So this is here you got the event, and then e dot target dot values. Okay, update the password states, and then password states. Then here, now here you have to work on the birth. Okay, birthdays of the users, this field. Now we have the ready for emails, then password. Now this field, birthdays, days, year, month. So how you can do this? This is here, select, and then it is a month. Okay. Okay guys, so this is here, select rows. Where is month? This one, menu item, it is a month, and then it's below here. What you have to do? Loop through month arrays. So this is a month dot map functions, and then mixture of functions. Okay, you will write the month. Got it? Then inside it here, menu item. Okay, here you will write the month, and then inside it here the values. This is key, it is equal to month, it is unique key, then values, it is equal to here write month, and then sx styles, menu styles. This is menu item styles. This is the here main item key is month values month and then sx. This is and then select here this one here selected month, and that is values. It is equal to month. Okay, and then on change here on change it is equal to you got the event, and then this is set month here e dot target dot values. Okay, values, and then on change, and then your extra stars here is x, it is equal to create account style dot select. This is here. Now this is your month, it is ready to use. Why we got? Okay, we've already did use here on this one, so you have to remove, otherwise it causes the issue. And then you are able to select the month, you see. Okay, now how it's look good. Okay, one thing you see here month dot map means this is here, this one here you have to use this simple map function and render in the select January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, this is here to months dot map, and then menu items key month values month. Okay, now that is fine. So okay, so in the next lecture we will work on the other things. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.